Beryl is now a tropical depression, and it's left parts of Texas devastated and many areas underwater.
At least 8 people are dead, and the storm also caused destructive tornadoes. Janet Shamlian is in Houston, where hundreds of thousands of homes and businesses still don't have power.
A path of destruction after Beryl unleashed a barrage of severe weather as it moved inland. This is Timpson, Texas, where the roof of the city hall was ripped off.
We have roof damage, we have ceiling tiles coming out, we have lines down. It's a mess.
A massive tree fell on Haley Laredo's home in Houston, killing her 73-year-old mother-in-law, who was in bed.
My son was screaming, "Grandma," because he saw me crying and telling my husband, "Go check on your mom." And he started freaking out. He was like, "Grandma," he said, "call 911.
Down trees littered streets, from winds gusting up to 90 miles an hour and torrential rain. There were at least 7 deaths in the Houston area, including a police officer driving to work during the storm. Power outages topped more than 2.5 million, and it could be days before it's all restored.
This storm, Beryl, has been resilient and relentless.
Parts of downtown Houston flooded, and some areas saw almost 10 inches. That's more than 2 months of rainfall in one day. People abandoned cars on water-engulfed roadways, and first responders made at least 24 high-water rescues, including this driver on flooded Highway 288. As officials warned residents, they're not out of the woods yet.
Don't let the clear skies fool you. We still have dangerous circumstances. We still have high water across our city.
As conditions improve, the area's main electricity provider says it expects to have more than 1 million customers back online by the end of the day Wednesday, but that will still leave hundreds of thousands in the dark. Janet Shamlian, CBS News, Houston.